how to add music to Instagram Reels. If you would like to add a music to Instagram Reels, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Instagram application. Once you launch the Instagram app, go about uploading a certain reel. So tap on it, go to the Reels option that you can find, and simply go ahead and then basically select a video right here that maybe you want to create a reel for. Once you've done that, to add a music within that reel, you can find the music like icon right there. So tap this little music like icon. Now you can search for any of the music that Instagram library offers, or you can import the one from your own phone. So tap the import option and select whichever music that you want to use, and from there you'll be able to import it, or you can simply go to original audio or whatever else and add the audio that you wish, and just by hitting this arrow icon right here, and you can crop it to what portion of the song that you'd like to add the music within your reel, and tap the done button. And once done, tap on next, and voila, you'd have successfully added music to Instagram Reels. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.